Hello, thank you for viewing this video. In this video I'm going to show the new functions or features that have been added. We'll take a look at player script. The players on pitch.c# script has got a function called formation functions. It has got a region formation functions, and it has a function called check number of players ready. This is going to actually check whether or not all players are ready before the game moves forward. It's an I-enumerator. It's being called in the start function. Once we have all the players ready, we are going to call spawn ball and assign, which is going to spawn the ball and tell all the players to go to the off ball state. Then we'll give the ball to a random player. In the player movement and AI, we have a formation related region. Inside that region we have a select formation position function. Inside of that we have a switch case. This switch case is responsible for sending the players in the correct position according to the formation. The formation arrays are in the script called players on pitch. The first formation array is here, the second formation array is here. The game objects that contain the formation are in the hierarchy. You can see the position children here. In formation 2 you can also see position children here. In order to add a formation, please duplicate this formation parent and add another formation array in the script. In order to load a formation, please use this current formation to set variable. If it's set to 1, the game will load the first formation. If it's 2, it's going to load the second formation. Once you add a formation, please also add another switch case to handle the formation. In the ball states we have a few different functions. Inside do pass we have a few for loops that are handling the passing. Once we have left shoulder input, we are going to run a for loop to check how many players are behind the current player that has the ball. We'll add those players to a list. We'll make a new game object and we'll run another for loop to check what is the closest player. The closest player is stored in game object closest player. If we have set throw power, we'll take a look at what is the next closest player. We'll run a for loop again, and in that for loop we'll check the closest player to the next closest player. And if the next closest player is closer, we are going to set closest player equal to next closest player. We're then going to call the pass function that we've already done in the previous order. Thank you very much for watching this video.